How to retrieve archived chats on Telegram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to retrieve archived chats on Telegram. To do it so, you have to go ahead and open up your Telegram application first thing first, after which you'll be able to see this sort of interface. Then you want to go ahead and select the chats at the bottom. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and archive this chat. So I'll have to tap the three dot icon and click the archive button. Once I've actually done so, now to unarchive the chats, you want to go ahead and click the plus button, click the archive chats. You could see at the top of the page, and then you just want to long press on it, after which you want to click on the three dot icon. Click the three dot icon and just click on unarchive. Once you've done it so, it has been retrieved. So this way you'll be able to unarchive, or else you could also go ahead and then do this, click the archive button and you could just go ahead and hide it, let's see, or else you could find it from the chat settings as well. So this way you'll be able to retrieve archive chats on Telegram. That's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.